Scat Pack Stage 1 PCM is out. Oh my god. Driving like a dream, baby! Alright, first guys, gotta undo the negative of the battery. This is my awesome sidekick right here, Mr. Lou.
That thing does audio too?
Yep. And you're gonna undo these right here, and we're gonna pull out the PCM.
Do you remember taking this thing?
Yeah, I think we did take that out.
That would make sense, but I don't remember doing it. Bolt all the way to the ground?
I think so. Just don't drop it. There we go. Boomski. We'll just keep this out. Okay, so, yep. Okay, so you hang on to the one that the tan one goes on. Okay. Yeah, definitely. Okay. Okay. And there it is. There it is, folks. Yeah, actually, let's before we try anything, hold on. Keep this here. This is the old one. There's a set of instructions that you gotta go. Okay. So now I have to put the battery back. Remove the negative terminal. Okay, that's that. And that's that, Lou.
Yes, it works.
I guess it works. All right. All right. Let me get a high five, dude. We freaking did it. That's what I'm talking about. Charger came with a spare.
That's it. And we're not going to crush anything this time.
That's it, man. Hopefully we're all set. Hold on, Lou. Hold on. Lou, 1 minute. No gas. And I put a little bit of footage inside of this video. It's always difficult to kind of film something that's unsuccessful, you know. So just giving you guys a heads up that this is what you can expect if you give it a shot, and you know, go to the dealer, they'll do it properly. Alright guys, so I am writing a 91 octane tune. I thought I was going to be able to get this done before the day ran out, but I kind of messed up. I ended up not connecting it to the Wi-Fi, getting the latest updates. That is what you need to do when you first install this thing. Make sure you connect it up to the Wi-Fi, get the proper dates, get the proper updates, and then go through the procedure.